Hello you beautiful people, how are you? Hope you're all good. I've got this little cute set that I did a couple of days ago just to show you. I thought they were really sweet. So I've gone ahead and removed all our previous design and prepped the natural nail and primed and all that jazz, push cuticles back, etc. So I'm just coming in on this thumb with CJP Watermelon. I don't use this colour enough, I absolutely love it, it's gorgeous. So as you can see, there's still a little bit of blue from the previous set, just showing through, but I'm going to come underneath with my e-file afterwards and clean that up. On this index finger I'm going to do, I think I'll do an ombre. So this is Arabian Silk. No, I'm not doing an ombre. I'm doing like a squiggly. So I'm coming with a small bead of Arabian Silk, then I'm coming in, not really in any particular pattern, and placing on watermelon. And then I've gone into Wonderland, which is a pre-mixed glitter acrylic. And I'm just going into those spaces with Wonderland. So on this middle finger we're going to do an ombre. So first off I'm applying watermelon. And then this is Arabian Silk. Just blending that out. As you can see, the bead had gone a bit dry because it was super hot. So I've got some of this shell sheet from CJP, and I'm just going to, I've just cut a strip of that off. I'm just going to place that down the centre of the nail and just lightly press that down. Excuse my stubs on my other hand. I removed my nails myself. So that's the shell sheet, and it's just got a sticky back on it, and then you can just cut bits off where you want. They stick down really well. Oh, excuse me. And then down each side of that I'm coming in with Wonderland. I think I'm doing like a vertical ombre on this one. And then when I did that vertical ombre, it just reminded me so much of the fruit salad sweets, so that's what I called them. And then over the top with Wonderland. And then my client broke this nail, and she actually ripped her nail quite far down, so I've just come in and I've just sculpted a base on there, and then I'm just doing this pinky and watermelon. Just adding a bit more on that apex area. And I'm just going to come back in and cap these quickly. Just capping slightly wetter than normal with the glitter that I've used. I like it to really sink in and around that glitter. Excuse me if you can hear me slapping then, I was just having a drink. I forgot how close I was to the mic. Sorry. Just going to file these pretties, so sidewalls first and making sure they're coming straight out from the nail. Around the cuticle area, off shot, as per usual. And then over the body of the nail. I just go out of shot because I know you like looking at my wrinkly hands. Sorry. So just reshaping this pinky, giving it a lot of support. Just getting right in, trying to make that cuticle area as flush to the natural nail as I can. Using my tack-free top gloss, again, as always. That colour is so gorgeous, I bloody love it. So yeah, that's about it guys. So I'm just adding some cuticle oil and that's the finished set. So if you enjoyed this design, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will speak to you all soon. And I forgot what I was going to say. Thank you all so much for joining me. Yeah, see you soon. Bye guys.